Hey and welcome to my first Lightroom tutorial. Today I want to show you how to make this picture look like this. Okay, so at first you want to set the temperature to 3200 and the tint to +40. The exposure really depends on the image, but I've set it to -0.15, the contrast to -45, the highlights to +5, the shadows to +10, the whites to +60, the blacks to +15 and the clarity to -20. Now I've set the profile to Adobe Portrait. For the curves you take the dot down here and move it a little bit up, yeah, like this, and then you create another dot up here and move it up as well. Okay, for the reds you want to lower them a little bit and do the same with the greens, like this. And now increase the blues just a little bit. Now in the HSL panel you want to set the reds to -100, the oranges to -65, the yellows to -20, the greens to +100, leave the aquas, the blues to -45 and the purples as well to -45. Okay, you can leave the saturation as it is, and the luminance set the reds to +30, the oranges to +50 and the yellows to -50. This really depends on your image, but in this area the yellows were a bit too bright, so I lowered them, and the blues to +50. Now the split toning. Set the highlights to 199 and 3 and the shadows to 333 and 3. For the details, I had a bit of noise in this image, so I set them to 30, but this again, it depends on your image. And I like to add a small vignetting, so -20 and a feathering of 100. And the last thing you have to do is in the calibration tab, set the reds to +58 and the blues to -35. Yeah, that's it with the tutorial. I hope you liked it and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and have a great day. Bye.